ready to transform your ideas into stunning visuals with the power of artificial intelligence. Let's get you set up on Leonardo AI. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Leonardo AI website. You'll see a prompt to get started right away. Locate and click on the Sign Up for Free button. This will take you to the registration page here. You'll need to enter your email address, choose a secure password, and pick a unique username that represents you. Fill in all the required fields accurately. After submitting your registration, Leonardo AI will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your inbox, find the email from Leonardo AI, and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once you click the link, you'll be redirected back to the Leonardo AI website with a confirmation that your account is now verified and ready to go. Now that your account is verified, you're logged into your Leonardo AI dashboard. Take a moment to explore the different sections. You'll find the AI image generation area where the magic happens, My Creations to view your artwork, and the vibrant community to see what others are creating. To begin creating, simply navigate to the AI image generation section. This is your playground for bringing your imagination to life. Using AI prompts, you're all set to start your iPod creative journey.